Welcome to DJH Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW X4. It's the 35D xDrive, 4-wheel drive, in lovely condition with high specification. Finished in beautiful metallic black. Park distance control, front camera. It's got a lot of spec on this car, it really has. Full M Sport body styling kit. Sunroof, very rare on one of these. Reverse park sensors, twin exhausts, absolutely stunning condition. Boot area's in lovely condition, as you can see. Interior, nice beige interior with the red stitch piping. Electric windows, mirrors, Harman Kardon. We've got electric memory seats. It's got heated seats as well. Let's just start the car up. 104,413 miles. It's got heads-up display. You can see that there. Reverse camera, park distance control. Satellite navigation, telephone, Bluetooth connectivity for media pack as well. Absolutely lovely. Climate controls, different ways of driving it. Paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Electric tilt slide sunroof. It's all on the advert, which has got a huge amount of spec on this car. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you, bye.